Got my e-bike in last night. Dual battery, full suspension Cheetah. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. See what it looks like. Looks like it's protected pretty well. Nice stick. Got the toolkit. So I guess got everything you need here to put the bike together. Got my pedals right here. Cheetah owner's manual. Got the charger. Set this off to the side. Pretty heavy. Not happening, bro. Just gonna lower this flap down. That'll give me a protective work surface on my wood floor. The bike's pretty heavy and it's packed in there pretty tight. Keeps it protected. It's probably the easiest way to get it out by yourself. This was strapped. I unstrapped it. There's the fender. The wheel lock. That's a nice looking tire right there. Beefy front tire. Let's get everything unstrapped. I mean, everything is wrapped up, strapped with foam anywhere it might rub. The fenders are plastic, they're not on, but it also came with the back rack. They wrapped everything really nice, protected really well. One thing I'd watch out for is the crankshaft was tucked in behind the spoke like this. So don't go yanking on your front tire when you take it out of the box. Make sure you pull it out completely like I did. Either get somebody to help you pull it out or cut the box open. It really worked out well because it gave me an area to protect my wood floor. And that way you don't damage the spokes, just in case it got tucked in there. Pretty tight fit in that box. Overall, really pleased with the way they protected this bike and how fast it shipped. We'll get it put together and we'll test it out. Just got done putting my new Cheetah e-bike together. Very happy with the packaging and the look of the bike. Thank you for watching, and click right here to see how to build your new HAOQI Cheetah e-bike.